You failed, so you cope, porn, food, games, doom scrolling, whatever your drug is. Now you feel worse, so you fail again. You don't have a discipline problem. You have a shame circuit running your brain. And until you understand the loop, willpower will never be enough. You broke your streak last night, woke up, grabbed your phone, wasted an hour, told yourself you'd start Monday. It's Wednesday. Every time you mess up, skip the gym, relapse, blow the diet, something in you says you already ruined it. Might as well go all the way. You never stop at one. Here's what nobody tells you. You're not weak. You're not lazy. Your brain is doing exactly what it was designed to do when it detects pain. It's using escape as armor, and the escape is the weapon. I've mapped this loop across hundreds of people who couldn't figure out why they kept losing. Same pattern every single time. The shame spiral has a structure, and if it has a structure, it has a break point. 5 steps. Here's the system. 1. Map the loop. You can't interrupt a circuit you can't see. Neuroscience calls it cue, routine, reward. Shame runs the same way. Identifying the cue activates your prefrontal cortex and overrides the automatic escape response. Grab a paper. Write your last 3 failures. Under each one, what happened 30 minutes before you coped. That's your trigger. Write what you reached for. Write how you felt after. You cannot kill what you refuse to look at. 2. Declare 48-hour shame immunity. Layering shame on shame makes escape feel like survival. Research shows self-criticism after failure increases the likelihood of repeating the behavior, not reducing it. Cortisol from shame literally spikes impulsivity. Right after a failure, say it out loud, I failed. I'm not judging it for 48 hours. No compensation, no punishment. Execute your normal baseline, nothing more. Judgment can wait. The loop can't afford another spiral. 3. Separate the behavior from your identity. This is what most men get completely backwards. Guilt says I did something wrong, I can fix it. Shame says I am something wrong, there's nothing to fix. After every failure, complete this sentence. I am someone who is your identity, who sometimes the specific behavior. That gap between who you are and what you did, that's where recovery lives. You are not your worst day. Stop letting it write your story. 4. Execute the smallest non-negotiable. Action precedes motivation, always. Predefine one action under 5 minutes, 20 push-ups, a cold shower, 1 sentence in a journal. Do it immediately. Not after you feel better, to feel better. Momentum doesn't start when you're ready. It starts when you move. 5. Build the pre-failure plan. Write this now. If I specific failure, I will kitbreaker action and activate 48-hour immunity. Put it on your lock screen. Add 1 line underneath. The cope is not relief. It is the next punishment. Without this plan, every future failure defaults to cope, shame, repeat. The strongest men don't avoid failure. They engineer the recovery before it happens. Here's the truth most people run from. The shame spiral is comfortable. It gives you an excuse to stay small. If you're broken, you don't have to try. And nobody is coming to break this loop for you. Not a therapist, not a mentor, not this video. You execute the protocol, alone, every time, until the circuit rewires. These 5 steps are not a checklist. They are the architecture of a man who refuses to let one failure become 10. Most people are managed by their shame. You are going to manage the loop. That's not a habit. That's a different kind of person. Comment break right now if you've been living in this loop. Not from me. As a declaration that you're done letting shame make your decisions. Subscribe. This channel doesn't do motivation. We build men who don't need it.